I'm trained as a forage agronomist and ruminant nutritionist. I received my doctorate from the University of Kentucky in 1986, and I joined the faculty of Oregon State University as the Extension Forage Specialist. In 2007, I realized that I was an obese pre-diabetic. I am no longer either, thanks to several clinicians, researchers, and authors. About a decade ago, I started to attend and then speak at international conferences focused on therapeutic carbohydrate reduction and metabolic health. I've gotten to learn a great deal about human nutrition and metabolic health while I've been on this health restoration journey. I've come to appreciate the gaps that exist between science and policy and between agricultural producers and the rest of society. To bridge these gaps, I've become an advocate for forage and ruminant animal agriculture and the essential role of ruminant animal products in human health and flourishing. About 10 years ago, I started blogging and posting on social media about what I called grass-based health. Grassroots health was already taken. It represented an integration of what I've learned: healthy soils, healthy plants, healthy animals, and healthy people, all of which depend on ruminant animal agriculture. It also reflected my previous belief in the superior nutritional quality of grass-fed livestock products. I no longer hold that position, and the name reminds me of that lesson in personal bias. The fact that approximately 96% of what the global domesticated ruminant herd consumes is non-human edible plant material justifies calling ruminant animal agriculture grass-based. The Ruminati grew out of the people who have seen my presentations or read my postings. It is my name for those people who understand to some degree some portion of the production through consumption landscape and the disciplines that serve it. I've been given the title of Don Pedro, also known as the Sodfather. While I'm absolutely serious about the essential role of animal source food in the human diet and the unique advantages of ruminant animal agriculture in producing some of those foods, I believe that humor, at least what I think is humorous, is helpful in building bridges. The Meet Your Herdmates sodcast is a new effort to introduce members of the Ruminati to each other so that we might all learn from each other.